The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard and the side handle. Now remove the rear housing. Next, I'll remove the cord wires. To remove the wires, I need to pull the switch away from the housing, and to do that, I need to disconnect these two wires. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the wires away from the terminals. Now I can pull the switch from the housing, and now have access to the cord wires. I'll use a screwdriver to remove them. Now I can remove the cord protector from the cord. Now install the new cord protector. Insert the wires through the cord protector and pull it over the outer insulation. Now I can reinstall the cord wires to the switch. First the white wire, and then the black. I'll install the switch back into the housing and reinstall the wires from the motor. Now I'll reinstall the spring under the switch lever, and I'll replace the lower piece of the housing. Tuck all the wires out of the way. Make sure the PC board is firmly in the housing. I'll place the wire over the cord clamp. I want about a 1/4 inch of the outer wire jacket extending past the cord clamp. And I'll place the string relief within the housing. Now reinstall the trigger paddle. Now reinstall the top piece of the rear housing and secure the housing with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard, the flange nuts, and the side handle. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.